Hello, hello, beautiful peoples! Hi guys, I'm back! So, may entry tayo for this week ng unboxing. So, eto guys. Wait lang. Ayan. Mag-unboxing tayo ng cravings. Na-curious ako dito sa product na ito guys. Medyo okay. Ilang box ba to? Dalawa? So, this is... Bakit chocolate? Chocolate yung Okay. Hindi ko na alala kung anong shop. Basta, lagi kasing nakikita. So, ako ay naku-curious kung ano ito. So, nakikita niyo ba guys? Chocolate. Spicy strip. Sweet and spicy snacks. So, individually packed. Oh, iba-iba pala yung laman sa loob. Open natin. Wait lang. Check natin yung isa pa. Yung isang lalagyan. Oh, same lang. Same lang. Spicy strip pa rin. So, it's latyaw. Na-curious talaga ako kung ano ito siya. Pero hindi ko siya kakainin ngayon. Kasi naka-fasting mode na po ako. Bukas na lang. Open natin. And i-flex ko lang. Siyempre, reserve yung taste test. Tasting video. Taste test. Okay. Oh, so iba-iba. So, ito, whole. Ito ay, ano tawag dito? Slice. Okay guys, I'm back. Mayroon tayong commercial break. May nagtanong kung available yung product. So, meron naman siguro. Slice, then block. Naka-block. Block or cube. Okay, slice. Wait lang, maghanap tayo dito na ito. Ito na ito. So, ito ay silk. Strips to, strips. Okay. Same lang. So, parang to, it's Chinese snack. Ganun? Chinese snack. So, as a chinita plantita, ito try ko. Okay. So, ito yung, bakit isa lang? So, ito yung rod. Okay, rod. Okay, flex natin. Ulit. Apat na varieties in one pack. So, slice, block, yung naka-square, it's raining man. This one is rod, and yung isa ay silk strips. Ganun, silk. So, ayan guys, flex ko lang. 2 packs ang in-order ko. Salamat Shopee. And hanapin ko na naman kung saan ito para lalagay natin siya sa affiliate partnership. So, that's all muna for today guys. Join me again on my next unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. And as always, from my little world to yours. Love, love, love.